WorldWide Electric's across-the-line starters provide an ideal on and off control solution for operating a motor at full voltage, current, and torque. They are simple in design, which means they are simple to install, operate, and maintain. The low initial investment provides a cost-efficient choice compared to other motor control solutions. The WWSXL is ideal for dry indoor industrial control applications, such as air compressors, conveyors, fans, and recycling balers. They are available in single-phase and three-phase units up to 50 horsepower. The NEMA 1 enclosure provides easy access to the control terminals and space for large wire bends during installation. Other standard features include a door-mounted reset push button and knockouts for field kit installations. WorldWide Electric also supplies optional control coils and field kits for local start and stop or handoff auto operations. WorldWide Electric across-the-line starters are built in a UL-authorized facility and held in stock at 7 regional U.S. warehouses with one-day delivery. Visit worldwideelectric.com or talk to your local distributor about all electric motors, gear reducers, generators, and control solutions from WorldWide Electric.